What's up, SushiLoversFamily? family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. Today I'm gonna show you very beautiful and crispy, crunchy Himalayan style sushi roll. Let's go. Let's be a family. Let's be a family. Do subscribe for more videos about sushi. Okay, SushiLoversFamily, family, I have here the nori seaweed. I'm gonna make the nori maki. Nori maki means I'm gonna use 2/3 of the nori seaweed. That means I'm gonna use the 67% of nori. That means I'm not going to make the futo maki. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna take out the 1/3 of the seaweed from here. Yes. I wear the nori seaweed. Seaweed always have the rough side and shiny side, as you can see here. That is the rough side lining part. We have to place the sushi rice. I wear the bamboo mat. I'm gonna put here in the downside. Today I'm not using the gloves. I'm using my hands without gloves. I'm gonna say one thing for SushiLoversFamily. family. If you are using the raw fish, you need to know how to make that kinds of water. Here I'm putting the equal quantity of the vinegar and water. Some people are using just water. It is not allowed because vinegar gonna kill the bacteria. That's why we have to use equal quantity of water and vinegar here. So when you are making the sushi roll, we have to dip the hand like this and you have to make a little bit shiny with your hands so your sushi rice cannot be sticky in your hands. Like this. Like this, yeah. Nice. First things, you need to water and vinegar equal quantities. Secondly, I'm using your normal kitchen towel, but whatever you want you can use. You can moisture your hands and also you can clean your knife, you can clean your chopping board. So you have to be one kind of towel. Yes, like this. Now I'm gonna taking the rice ball, I'm putting in the middles and I'm gonna separate it. Gently and softly. We're not allowed to push too much, otherwise sushi rice is gonna be a chewy. Now I'm using here the slice of avocado. I'm gonna take out the ball like this and gonna never take the avocado ball with your hand. It can cut your finger or you can cut your hand with this knife. So always put like this. Yes. Now I'm gonna make the little bit slice. I'm gonna put here in the middle of sushi rice. Yes. Now I'm gonna use cucumber. Cucumber will give you the freshness and crunchiness also. And I'm gonna use the Masang golden apple. I'm gonna place with other ingredients. Okay, let's roll. I'm gonna leave one finger here. I'm leaving almost two finger here, so it will be easy to closing part. Let's take out the bamboo mat and secure your ingredients. Before that, I'm gonna make the little bit moisture so also my sushi rice cannot be sticky in my hands. Okay, nice. Softly and gently. I'm gonna use a little bit of water here so it will be sticky. Let's roll it. Yes, our sushi roll is ready. Now I'm gonna make the topping. Okay, that is I'm gonna make the topping. I have here the cooked salmon with sea bream also, and I cook just with the sesame oil. And also I love the cumin, so I use the cumin. If you don't have the cumin, so no need to use the cumin, just you can use the sesame oil. If you don't have the sesame oil, you can use the olive oil also. Just putting a little bit sea salt, it's enough. Now I'm gonna use this one a little bit. I think this is enough. That is the French garlic. Now I'm gonna cut in half, then after let's cut in the small. I'm gonna put in the water so the strong smell of French garlic will go out. That is the cold icy water. Okay, I'm gonna mix it here. Then after I will mix here the kimchi. That is the kimchi sauce, okay? That is not a spicy sriracha, okay? That is kimchi. Okay, it's enough. That is the kimchi sauce I'm mixing here. So it will be a little bit salty. And that is the spice mayo. If you don't know how to make a spice mayo sauce, you can check link in my description box. I'm putting there. Yes, it looks like very good, nice. I'm gonna add a little bit white sesame seeds so it will give you extra level of aroma and crunchiness. Okay, that's it. Yes, here is my topping. Let's cut the sushi roll and gonna make the plating. Okay, firstly make a little bit of weight to your knife so it will be easy to cut sushi roll. And you can cut like this or what, like this. I prefer like this. Your knife cannot be moved because your knife will be secure with between two fingers. Firstly, I'll cut this side. I cut and I make the equal level. Now I'm gonna cut this one. Yes, that is the last part. Now I'm going to do the plating. Okay. Yes. Here is my sushi roll. I'm gonna put in the topping. Here is the coriander leaves. I'm gonna put it here a little bit. Yes. And for the topping, I'm gonna use the Himalayan salt. If you put too much, it will be too much salty. So just a little bit. That is the secret. I'm gonna use the potato chips. Okay. Let's open these ones. I really love because it will be a really good combine. Also, you can use the topping with crispy deep fried onion also. And at last, I'm gonna give the toast with the teriyaki sauce. Okay. If you want to make teriyaki sauce at your home, you can check link on my description box. I'm gonna put there. That is the beautiful and delicious Himalayan salt sushi roll. How is it? If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. And also if you have the Sushi Lovers family, if you have the Sushi Lovers friends, please don't forget to share with them. They're gonna make definitely at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. Not only for that, please let's do subscribe for let's be a family. Let's be a family. Do subscribe for more videos about sushi. Thank you.